Good morning, guys. Sorry if the camera is twisted or tilted or whatever you want to call it. Today is Wednesday the 24th, or no, it's Thursday the 24th, May 24th, and it is 11:07, almost noon, and I am moving tomorrow. So right now I stay in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. I had a roommate. We've been living together for the past 2 years, but I just graduated college. She graduated last year, and so we just decided, okay, we both have careers now. It's time for us to separate and just get our own places. So I'm moving to a 1-bedroom, and she moved a few weeks ago into her 1-bedroom. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and let you guys see this vlog of me moving. I don't actually move until tomorrow, and we have movers coming, but I'm gonna go to the leasing office and see if they can give me my keys early. Like, I'm gonna make up an excuse and say like, hey, like I have movers coming and I've already paid. They're coming at 6 a.m. and I know you guys don't open till 9. Like, I'm just gonna make up something to see if they can give me my keys today. And I also got to pay my rent today. But right now, if I have my wallet, I'm about to go to the bank, get some money out of one account and put it into a different account. What is this? Yeah, so I'm about to get some money out of one account, put it into another account. Katriel, my boyfriend, he's here. He is helping me today finish up packing because, like, lo and behold, I have most stuff packed, but a lot of stuff I don't have packed. And you know, I love my boyfriend to death. He's so sweet. The other day when I had to go to work, he said, oh, like he said, when I got off work, he said, oh, I have a surprise for you. And I said, okay, what is it? He said, you'll see when you get home. When I got home, he had packed up my entire bathroom. And when I tell you I had a lot of stuff in my bathroom, it was like a ton of stuff. So I was like, oh, you packed up my bathroom for me. But then I look around and it's like some drawers aren't packed. Like, you know, he did his best to organize, and I'm glad he did it for me. But I also wanted to go through things, throw away things, stuff like that before I move. But I'm also happy that he did it, so I can't complain. So we are headed to the bank, and then we're gonna go to another bank, and then we're gonna go to the leasing office and see if I can get my keys today. Fingers and toes crossed that I'm able to, and we will see if we can get moved. I got my keys, I got my keys, I got my keys, I got my keys, I got my keys to my new place. So jeez. So I got my keys. Now I'm gonna go feed my boo-boo and take him to the new place so he can see it, because I think he plans to go hang out with his friend Jordan today. So I'm probably gonna be moving in some stuff by myself, which is fine, and also finishing up packing. Okay, let's go in. I need to move his car before they tow it, but I got my keys, I got my keys, I got my keys. Oh, stop, boo. Stop. But all right, let me park my car. Ooh, bad decision. Ooh, geez. But y'all, I'm so happy I got my keys to my apartment. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour for y'all so y'all can see what I'm working with. Hardwood floors, you feel me? But let's go in the house. You guys can meet my boyfriend. You can go see the apartment. Let's do it. Hey guys, so Katriel and I are headed to my new apartment to go clean and to move a couple things in. We're just moving the light stuff because we got movers moving the big stuff. Hey boo, wanna say hey? Y'all, there's my boo boo.
What's happening, people?
You say hey?
Hey.
I was telling them we about to go to the new place and clean and what? Yeah. So I'm in my car, he in his car. You following me?
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure I know where we're going.
Okay, baby. Oh, it's hot. We picked the hottest day of the year to wanna move. It's so hot. Let me look on my phone and see what degrees it is. I need full blast, okay? Let's see. It is 85 degrees today in Kennesaw, Georgia. So, you ready? I'm sorry, baby. All of this. Alright, well, they have a 1-bedroom to do in the morning, so they're coming to me like at 11. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, love you, baby. Yo, he is amazing. So, we about to go to the new place, which is, I'm literally moving in the same complex, just to a different unit. So that's what we're about to do. Move to the new unit, and I will give you guys a tour when we get there. So here's my new place. Smells like workers.
It does.
So when you come in, here's the front door. And from the front door, you have a storage closet. And you spin around, and here is the living room from the front door. I have nice laminate flooring, nice huge window. Over here is my balcony. Standing from this view, you see my dining room and my kitchen. It's like a corner kitchen. So you come around, cut the lights on, baby. Cut the lights on. Press it, press it, press it. And turn the dial. Thanks, baby. So here's my kitchen. I have a double sink, which is nice because in my other apartment I just had a single sink. So I like the double sink.
You have a double sink?
No, it's just a single at that apartment that I'm in now.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Nice cabinets. Of course, Andrea always leaves a nice welcome basket. She's amazing. Here, I just have the classic, so I don't have the updated appliances, but this is more updated than the one I had. Isn't this more updated than the one I had?
Since your roommate won't be burning stuff.
Huh?
Since your roommate won't be burning stuff.
Simple, standard.
You'll edit that out, though.
Whatever. And then here is my washer dryer hookups. Washer goes on the left, dryer goes on the right. Nice storage above on both sides. Right here is my pantry right beside the laundry room. And of course there's hardwood flooring throughout. The only place that doesn't have the hardwood is of course the bedroom. So to the left is my bedroom. To the right is my bathroom. So in the bathroom, we have a nice garden tub. Standard. I like the cabinet space. Here's me. We have the medicine cabinet, linen closet, my baby. Okay, then here's the bedroom. Baby, I like that it has the overhead light. Oh baby, we must back up to the entrance. Back up, back up, back up. So here is the bedroom. Nice double window. Here is my nice walk-in closet. It's pretty big. So here's the closet, and that is it. As you exit out of the room, of course, this is what you see. So once I get it furnished and everything the way I like it, I will do a furnished apartment tour. And yeah, come here, baby. This is my nice helper. Of course, I'm gonna reward him very nicely for helping me.
Well, that sounds now.
Well, not in the way of what they're thinking, because we don't do that. But
we don't.
but of course, I'm gonna reward my baby. Okay. Hi guys. So it is now just about 5 o'clock. It is 4:52. And let me let my seat up. Katriel and I are at Advanced Auto Parts because we realized when we were moving earlier, I noticed that his passenger side brake light was out. So I was like, oh, did you know your brake light was out? He was like, no, I didn't know. So we went to AutoZone. They didn't have the part that he needed, so we ended up going to the Hyundai dealership. They didn't have the part, and they're like, oh, well, we can order it for you, but you know, Monday is a holiday, so we won't be here till Tuesday, and he can't just be driving illegally until Tuesday, because we already know police gonna be out deep on Monday because it's Memorial Day, and we don't have time for him to get in a ticket or anything else. So now we're at Advanced Auto Parts trying to see if they have the part. If they don't have the part, then we're gonna try O'Reilly's, and if O'Reilly's doesn't have it, we'll just have to bite the bullet, pay a little bit extra money, and go to Castrol. Castrol charges $60 for doing it or whatever, but we met a guy while we were at AutoZone, and he worked at Castrol because it was right next door to the AutoZone, and he said, oh, if you just go get the part, it's like $20, you know, I'll just act like I'm not here and I'll do it for you for free. So we're trying to just find the part so the guy at Castrol can do it for free on a low. I'm telling y'all, that's that favor from God, because nobody really has $60 to spend today to get this part. We had slushies from Sonic. I drank all of mine. Katriel still got some left, but that's what we doing. I'm so tired. Like, my phone is on 1%. I'm ready to go home and get in my bed, but I still got so much to do. So I don't know. We have movers coming in the morning. So in the morning when we wake up, we gotta like hurry up, take apart the bed, move some more stuff, because I only have the movers for 2 hours. And like, baby met them while he was Ubering one night, so they're only charging us $180 because the guy is like new to, it's a new business. So he's like, oh, I can do you for 2 hours, or I can give you a 2-hour time frame for $180. So we trying to move all the little stuff, so all they have to do is like the washer, the dryer, my bed, the dressers, all the big stuff. So when I get home, I'm gonna do some more moving. Baby is going to Atlanta. His friend is leaving to go to back, where is Jordan from? Either Texas or Washington, one of those two places. So he's gonna go have dinner with him. I'm gonna stay home and pack some more, and then whenever baby gets home, he will help me pack up some more. Then we'll try to get some sleep and get ready for tomorrow. So that's the plan. I'm gonna find my tripod so you guys can see us moving tomorrow and setting everything up. I had it this morning. I packed it somewhere. I have to find it, but once I find it, I'll be able to take you guys with us as we move. So let's get it. Let's go. Let's get everything done. Hey guys, so it is now 10:37 and Katriel and I moved some stuff to the new place, and now I'm about to go have dinner with one of my line sisters. I haven't seen her since I graduated, so we're gonna have dinner, and then I'm gonna come home, go to sleep, and get ready for the movers to come in the morning. So let's go get some food.
You can go back to them when you have the apartment ready.
I am gonna, it's just gonna be part 1 to the vlog.
Oh, okay.
And I'll do a part 2 tomorrow. So we are gonna call it a night. It is, what time is it, babe? My watch is dead.
1 something.
Almost 2 o'clock basically. So we are gonna, yeah, 1 something a.m. We got a long day tomorrow, so we are gonna call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I am back on the YouTube, and Katriel and I are gonna do a sit down video once I get settled and stuff, introducing him and all that good stuff. So see you guys later.